Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the fillet command, which we have in the sketch of SolidWorks. So basically the fillet command is going to be a dependent command. That means it needs a sketch in the graphics window. Only then we are able to use the fillet command. So currently this is the fillet command and you can see this is not highlighted as other commands are highlighted in the colors respectively, but this is grayed out. That means it is currently in the deactivation mode. So how to make it activate? To make it activate, you have to just draw a sketch in the respective plane. So I'm going to make a rectangle in the plane whichever I want to have. So currently the front plane. So I'm going to have a rectangle like this. Now I'm going to press the escape key. Now you can see clearly that this command is now activated, and in the drop down we have the second option, which is sketch chamfer. We will discuss about the sketch chamfer but in the later videos. So this video is dedicated to the sketch fillet. So now what is the fillet? We usually give the roundness to the sharp corners. If I to talk about this shape, so how many sharp corners does it contain? It contains 4 sharp corners. And if you imagine this shape to be existed in the practical world, so it may damage or injure someone with this sharp edge. So to reduce the chances of the injuries along with to have the uniform distribution of the stresses, we used to give the fillets. So how we can give the fillet? You just have to go to the sketch fillet and then click on it. So we are now in the sketch fillet as the property manager highlighted that these are the parameters which are concerned with the fillet command. So this is the box here. As you can see, this will represent the selection. Like if I am going to select this one like this, so here is the fillet one. Like you can see here, this is the fillet 2. Like you can see here, here comes the number of count, like here, like this. Okay, so this is how we can use the fillet. Now here comes the parameter. Like if I am going to have the parameter, so I'm going to increase to 50. Okay, this is not going to be get applicable, so I'm going to give it as 20. So now you can see this has been increased. So the radius of these fillets are 40. So this is how we can use the fillet command to give the fillets along with the radius. So now I'm going to just click on OK. Now here highlights the radius of these fillets. Now I'm going to just close this. Now let's draw some more profile here. I'm going to make some rectangles like this. Now have the 3-point corner rectangle like this. Just press the escape key. Now let's again go to the sketch fillet and I'm going to fillet these all 4 corners, but I'm going to perform in one selection. So for that I'm going to give the value as 10 because I need the radius has to be 10 instead of 20. Now I'm going to perform the selection like this. Just press the left mouse button and hover the mouse like this. Now you can see I have done this selection for all 4s. Later on we will discuss about how we can change the settings for the selection in the option, because currently I have activated the lasso selection here and we have the box selection also. So currently you can see this is the lasso. Okay. So this is how we can use the fillet command in SolidWorks sketching. I hope you have learned this command. So this is how you can use it. Well, please do subscribe my channel and do not forget to like this video. Thank you.